what's something we've been making you to do first thing in the morning with your breakfast that you haven't been enjoying very much?
Have to have some sort of protein shake.
Yeah, what else?
And like tons of gummies that taste worse the more you chew.
Yeah, supplements.
Or in other words, putting me on steroids.
They're not steroids. It's literally creatine and glutamine and vitamin D and folate, stuff like that. You hate...
I still consider that steroids because they're like buffs and stuff.
Because it says performance enhancing on it.
That's steroids.
Like gym. It says gym on the front, you think, and it's got like pictures of muscle gains.
I'm pretty sure that's leaning towards steroids.
It really isn't. They're amino acids.
Then why are they marketing it like that?
No, big for people that like, I don't know, to get in the heads of gym junkies.
I don't call them junkies.
Huh?
I don't call them junkies.
That's a name. It's just a term. A gym junkie. People that are addicted to going to the gym and it's all they think about. Growing their biceps.
I don't think there's anybody addicted to going to the gym.
Oh my god, bro. You are so wrong about that. Do you not know that men get addicted to the gym the same way that people get addicted to... Okay, so...
Jimmy.
How about... I can probably put that there. Okay, so... Fine.
Hi.
So, we're waiting for his dad to get back. Yes, I'm fixing my hair, vanity. Yeah, we're a bit weird. So, yeah, it's totally a bit awkward for us. We're not really YouTubers. As you can see, Dorian gets pretty... This is Dorian. I don't think we've even said his name yet.
Dorian Anthony.
Yeah. I'm Christy, and I'm his mum. And yeah, we're new to socials. I'm actually an introvert, I would say, and it's a bit uncomfortable doing social media. But it's worth it for what we want to try and get out of this. And we hope you guys enjoy following along. It's a very exciting time in our lives. We really believe in what he's doing and believe he's supposed to be in the shot. We really believe in him. We really believe in what he's doing. We're really excited for this. Me and his dad are artists. So we've spent years making content, but behind the camera, I've always said I would never get in front of the camera for anyone, ever, 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 ever. And I think my husband's in actual relative shock that I have agreed to put my face on camera and my voice on camera and share myself with the world. But it's amazing what you'll do when there's a reason as important as your kids' achievements. And it's the first time that I've ever seen a reason, I've ever seen a reason to put my face out there for the world to see and my voice out there for the world to see. And this is a worthy cause. Documenting our family and documenting Dorian's journey to fulfilling his potential, becoming a boxer. He says he'll be a world champion one day, or he'll be a champion, and I believe in him. And we hope to show who he is to the world. We've had the absolute privilege of raising him to being 11 years old, and we've kept him private and to ourselves for the 11 years, and we now gift him to the world to actually see who he is. He's not just a boxer. He's incredibly Dorian. Come on. He's incredibly talented in so many areas. So he'll hopefully share with you some of his other talents, like piano and chess and foolishness. He makes us laugh all day, every day. And also his wonderful bond with his family and also his cats. And so, yeah, if you like cat, it's actually not cool, dude. Ew.
But it'd be funny as a cut-off. Like,
Burping at will, which is actually gross, and I'm actually kind of not enjoying it. If you enjoy it, subscribe. If you enjoy seeing him burp at will, I don't enjoy it, actually, after the 10th time. Do you want to know what's funny? Is that when he's not looking at his own image on camera, he's usually pretty mature, sophisticated.
Okay, I'll stop. Okay, I'll stop. I think I broke her. If you want to fix her, please like and subscribe.
Anyway. Oh my god. We're heading to get some lunch. That was stupid.
Put it in the video.
Yeah, but it's too loud. We're heading to get some lunch, trying to figure out where to go. What are your thoughts, Dorian? What do you want to eat?
Sushi.
Sushi? Retro. See if there's any key pieces for Dorian.
Rock's pretty cool.
What's cool?
Cold Rock.
Oh, Cold Rock. Cold Rock ice cream on a
I've never been to
freezing
Cold
cold
Rock.
winter day. You have been to Cold Rock, but not for a long time. You've definitely been to Cold Rock when you were little. Oh, there's sombrero over there. Mexican food, Dorian.
I feel like we're doing a vlog.
Yeah. We have to wait.
I saw a net like chicken and stuff, and everybody around them just started going like chicken, 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 and there was one guy on the road going like chicken.
I see.
I think this Vietnamese joint looks like it might be pretty good.
Okay. Well, just Dorian, do you want to have a look what's in there and see if you want it?
This is a nice vibe. Oh, this is licensed and everything. So they've got lots of bao buns or whatever.
It costs so
Banh mi.
much.
No, it doesn't. It smells weird out here. You think that's a good idea?
Huh?
I said, do you think that's a good idea?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. That's what I was thinking. That's a good idea. Top 5 life hacks. Top 5 5-minute crafts.
That channel is infuriating.
Huh?
That channel is infuriating.
I know. Easy 5-minute crafts.
Yeah. You can do this at home, folks. Turn it upside down. Like this.
Oh, you're wasting some lemon.
Wasting precious lemon.
Yeah, you're wasting precious lemon. How could you? Whoa, that's gonna be hot.
Delicious me goring. It looks really good.
Insane from the first bite. And also, one blow actually makes it pretty cool. Oh, the beef is perfection.
Cool.
What do you think of the meager egg?
Very nice. Very nice. Good with lots of lemon juice on it. I wonder, does this constitute an athlete's meal?
Done. Would you eat this every day?
I'd probably give it a good go.
What do you rate it?
Easily. If I had to rate it approximately, I'd rate it 9.7 out of 10.
You like it that much? Wow.
I love it.
That's
It's
great.
basically perfect.
That's awesome.
Well, you did a good choice.
I definitely love this more than some old Anari and Maki.
Anari's pretty damn good.
It is, but there's a lot more flavour in that, isn't there? Is that what
Speaking
you're
of Anari, you should probably shout out your socials because,
Suspicious Anari.
yeah.
So find me at
Hey,
Suspicious Anari.
Find me at.
I found a lemon seed. Picking a lemon seed
Let's
out.
grow
of
this into let's grow that into an actual lemon.
You totally could. Do a time lapse.
And you got infinite lemon juice hack.
Yeah. Trying to find where I've got to go for my appointment, and we're talking about. That's very orange. Okay,
You just accelerate a bit more.
fair enough. We're trying to find where I've got to go for my appointment, and we're trying to figure out where we're going to go to film his next piece of content. We need I've got to put up a reel today on his Instagrams and
Have to feed the
TikTok.
Insta.
Got to feed the algorithm.
You have to feed it.
Have to. Oh, there's a cow.
Yeah.
There was a. No, that was. I'm saying it was
No,
pretty
I know
cool.
that.
There was a cow. Basically.
No, you weren't.
I don't think I was filming any of that.
Filming.
Oh, anyway, if I wasn't filming any of that, I was saying that I wasn't doing myself any favors in the last video. This is a new phone. I didn't.
See, you weren't filming anything.
Yeah, I had it on HDR, which is obviously not very good for filming this. You can see probably every pore on my face and every line and everything, which is not the greatest. I'm getting on in age. And yeah, I'm sure I could probably stand to do myself a favor here or there in the phone settings. So I have now taken it off HDR and just bumped the smoothness up a tiny bit, because you know we deserve to do ourselves a couple of favors here and there, in my opinion. He doesn't have to worry, he's already dewy smooth, although you do have some pretty serious eye bags going on after camp yesterday. Come, show me the eye bag. Yes. See, yeah, they're definitely, you've got the under eyes of someone with a pretty serious wheat allergy going on. How much sleep did you get over the last 2 days, by the way?
Combined?
Yeah, confined.
Around 10 hours.
Not even. I feel like it was not even 10 hours.
I can subscribe.
We definitely can't just say that every 5 seconds.
I can subscribe.
This is the moment, the time in the video where we see the metrics take a nosedive.
This is the point in the video where you realise that the view means they have to watch the whole video, so you're going to get no views.
Yeah, this is where it drops off. So
We fell off.
we fell off. All right. So this is where we're going down here to film. I won't put my phone down there because I would drop it. Zoom in on them. Maybe, but it'll definitely be better not in there. Definitely better not in here. Oh, it actually is pretty cool. Let's do some
Okay.
for YouTube for a
Get
start.
your gloves on. Like, can you get like up here maybe, like with this?
Could you take your mitts off and you get the gloves on, please? I'll film it.
I can. Can you hold the gloves?
The mitts? No, I can't because I've got
You've
these.
got to get those. Are you going to put them on him?
Right, yeah, okay. Yeah, we could bring it down.
Smell the mold.
Mildew.
Mildew.
You should do both. Hang on, I'll stop this. Hello. Hello, Duckier.
Right one.
That's rather cute.
Yeah. I want to pet it.
I bet. My phone went flat. I had to go and buy a battery, which then didn't fit my phone case, so I had to buy a new phone case. So $100 later, and we're back here. We're going to film this quick sequence for content. I need to not bash my head when I get out of here. Here. Guys, so he's going to film a quick sequence here for socials, which if you follow his socials, Suspicious Anari or Dorian Anthony Boxing on Instagram, Suspicious Anari on TikTok, you'll see what we end up filming. I'm going to do it now, so I'll be back with you in a bit. You can do some. Hey, remember you accidentally hit my video, my thing, and broke my camera though, so don't do it this time. So cool. So we're leaving. How do you feel about that? Headache? It was a headache, or you have a headache? Okay, yeah, well that happens, you're so tired. But do you feel like we probably got some good stuff and we did a good job today? We worked hard, we worked good as a team. Yeah?
Yeah.
We had a lot of hurdles to overcome today.
Yeah, we really did.
We worked as a team. Our first
It's going to happen a lot.
ever video vlog, and now I have to go home and edit it and see what the hell we got today. Yeah. Anyway, so back home, big day. Finished everything. We did really well, I think. Feeling, I'm obviously in bed. I'll show you, hang on. I'll show you my cat. There's my cat. Tabby. Everyone loves a good cat. Video. Tab. Puss puss. There she is. What we ended up filming down under the underpass that I said we were going to use ended up looking totally bog, so we couldn't use it. So we filmed, strangely enough, we filmed some content at KFC and it looked really good, and yeah, if you go follow, you'll see what we did. Obviously I'm totally fried, I'm so tired, so I'm gonna edit this video and put up first ever vlog. We'll see how it turned out. It's just obviously a total experiment and don't know how we did at this. It's obviously not a natural thing, but I'm hoping I get more used to it the more I do it. So drop a comment, let me know what we can improve, what you want to see, what we can do better. That kind of stuff would be actually really helpful. Hope you like the first video. See ya.